Hello friends, in this video, I am going to share with beautiful night dress collections for girls. Can you imagine sleeping in your bed in a bodycon dress? We are sure not. What you can picture in your mind is a loose, breathable and comfy night dress that allows you to stretch and relax while you lay on your bed. Perfect idea for a bedtime bliss, isn't it? Thankfully, with our ladies' nighties online, you can bring your dreamy indulgence to life. Our dresses are the perfect combination of style and comfort, thus promising you an amazing bedtime routine all year round. Plus, we have a plethora of designs in each category that you will be spoilt for choice.